Hello, in this video we shall take a look at how to make your husband love and miss you. Welcome to Think Marriage channel, where we showcase what works in marriage and relationships to help you reach your relationship goals and live a happy life to the max. Your husband's love for you is very important and must be clear and obvious at every point in time. Sadly, some men are not very vocal or expressive about their love for their wife. But they are explosively expressive when they are angry at their wife or children at home. We hope your husband doesn't belong to this category. How do you make your husband love you and miss you? If you ask him directly, he would say, "But I love you. That's why I married you." That's funny because women need a lot more loving inside marriage. Use the following tried and tested tips, please. Number 1, be expressive in your love and loving demands. Don't be shy or ashamed to ask that he shows you more love daily. Number 2, be ready to show him love too. It's like planting a seed that brings in a harvest each time. Number 3, let your mouth be filled with words of kindness. Don't speak harsh, heartless, hurtful words to him. If he did anything that should pull such from you, bite your tongue and say nothing. Be kind in your words and action. Number 4, learn to listen to his heart each time. Do you know humans love those who listen to them? Could you be exceptional in this? Listen to him with your whole heart, the whole of you, looking into him as he speaks. No wonder Papa God said, "My son, pay attention to my words, incline thine ears to my saying." If you love him and you want him to love and show you his love, be his best listener. Listen even to his unspoken words. Listen to his heart. Our world has become terrifically busy and filled with all manner of distractions. You could shut off all these in order to give him your undivided attention. Guess what happens after some time? He starts looking forward to coming to talk to you. He looks forward to his private time with you. And if he travels, he looks forward to coming back to you to share his experiences. Remember, the world is busy out there. Give him what nobody could give him. Starting point is your undivided listening attention. Number 5, make your home and your presence peaceful and welcoming. If you enjoy your company, it will be easy for him to enjoy it too. Number 6, if you walk outside your home, shelve your office troubles at the office. Don't carry them home to hurt your husband. Yes, at an appropriate time, you might discuss it. This is different from gathering office troubles and dumping on your family to create disharmony. Number 7, be easily accessible to your husband. Show him that you are always there for him no matter what. Number 8, respect him. Husbands love this a lot. Number 9, be sweet. Number 10, be fun to be with. Make his being with you a huge fun. Some years ago, an older woman said, "I give my husband what no other woman can give him." Wow. Could you look in and see what that could be for you? Use these and see your husband loving you more and saying it in different ways and showing it daily easily. From being his beautiful bride, you become his sweet and crazily loved pride. Watch him running back to you each time he has to travel because he loves and misses you terribly. We are glad you now know how to make your husband love you and miss you. Next, add action to your knowledge. Please be part of our Think Marriage community. Let's read how you make your husband love you and miss you. Do leave your questions and comments below and like and share this video. Also click the subscribe button if you haven't already to know when next Think Marriage uploads another power-packed video like this one. Thank you. See you at another video. Goodbye.